Welcome to Fluent English Speaking. The title for today's story is I Mistook My Boss for a New Employee. Part 1, the first day of the month. It was the first Monday of the month. Everyone at work was busy. New employees were starting today. Our team was also expecting someone new. I worked in the marketing department of a big company. I wasn't a manager, just a regular team member. But I loved helping people. Especially new people. That morning, I arrived a bit early. I went to the pantry to make tea. The air smelled like coffee and fresh hope. Suddenly, I saw a man in a plain shirt and jeans. He was standing near the coffee machine. He looked a little lost. "Hi," I said cheerfully. "You must be new." "Welcome." The man turned and smiled. "Yes. I am new here." "Great. I'm Ria," I said. "Let me show you around. We're a friendly team." He nodded slowly. "Sure. I'd like that." Part 2, the tour. I showed him the meeting rooms. "This is the chill zone. That's the printer room. And over there is the boss's cabin," I said proudly. He looked at the boss's cabin with interest. I'll need that room soon." I laughed. "Don't worry. That's the boss's room. You won't need it unless you're in trouble." He smiled, but didn't say anything. Next, I took him to the team desk area. "This is where we work. You'll love it." Then I asked, "What's your name, by the way?" He replied, "Karen." "Oh, cool. Karen, okay. Let me introduce you to the team." Part 3, the shocking truth. I took Karen to my desk. My teammate Arun looked up and froze. His eyes went wide. "Ria," he whispered. "Do you know who that is?" I smiled. "Yes. This is Karen. He's new." I just gave him the full tour. Arun looked like he'd seen a ghost. Just then, my team lead walked in. She stopped in her tracks. "Mr. Kapoor. You're here early." I blinked. "Mr. Kapoor?" "Yes," she said nervously. "This is Mr. Karan Kapoor, our new regional director." I felt the earth move beneath me. I had just given a tour to my new boss and joked about him ending up in trouble. I had laughed in front of the regional director. My face turned red. Part 4, the embarrassing moment. I stood frozen. Karen, no, Mr. Kapoor, looked at me and smiled. "You were very kind, Ria," he said calmly. "And very helpful. Thank you for the tour." I couldn't speak. I just nodded and tried not to faint. Later that day, he called a short team meeting. He said, "Today, I met Ria before anyone else. She welcomed me warmly and gave me the best first impression of this office." Everyone looked at me. He added, "She thought I was a new team member. But I think that's what made it special. She treated me like a colleague, not just a boss." That says a lot about your team. The room clapped. I smiled, shy, but proud. Part 5, Lessons and Laughter. After the meeting, Arun whispered, "Not bad. You gave the boss a tour. Next week, maybe you'll teach the CEO how to use the printer." We both laughed. Later, Mr. Kapoor passed by my desk. He smiled and said, "Ria, the tour was great. Next time, maybe you can show me where the coffee is stronger." I smiled back. "Of course, sir. And this time, I won't tell you to avoid the boss's cabin." We both laughed. From that day, we shared a funny bond. People teased me for weeks. But no one forgot how I welcomed the boss. This fun story helps you improve your English by listening, reading with visuals, and speaking naturally. The real-life setting makes it easier to learn new words and speak with confidence. Keep watching more stories to build your fluency. And don't forget to like and share.